What's up, people? How you all doing? Happy December. It is a celebration period. You know, this 2020 have to get out of the way. Get out of the way, We need 2021, and I know this 2021 will be a very, very good one. Too much money in our bank account, good health, and prosperity. So I'm back to business. My country people, I was away, I traveled. So all my business have been in stand for long, but now I'm back. I just resumed business. What's up, YouTube? How you are doing, YouTube? This is Ododike Valentina. If this is the first time of coming across my channel, please like, subscribe, and press the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Hello, how you are doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm back to business. So I just bring out some of the few things here. Hello, I'm just talking about YouTube. Hello, Instagram. Happy, how you all doing? Happy season, celebration of the year. Happy December. Instagram. Hello, Facebook. How you all doing? And back to business. Hello, I really miss you all. I miss this internet. I miss the bad one, the good one, the bad commenters. I missed you all. It's not easy. So I'm back. This is a Pleasant Beauty. You all know. I'll be talking about my beauty products, both for slimming and both to have a beauty skin and organic skin. Organic, beautiful skin without any side effect or whatever. Stretch mark, dark knuckles, dark elbows, and pimples, spots, and skin damage, etc. So this is my organic body milk. This is a Pleasant Beauty Extreme Glow Body Milk. Look at it. Look at it. This is for fair people. If you want to light, you want to look more lighter, you want to clear. Look at my skin. I just came back from Nigeria. I spent more than 3 weeks to 4 weeks in Nigeria, but still, my skin is still glowing, beautiful, without having no dark elbows or dark knuckles, all thanks to my beauty organic cream. This is the body milk for people who wants to glow. And this is the soap, lightening soap. Is actually look at it. It's a black soap. It's a lightening soap and black soap. This is the soap. It comes with sets, and this is the face cream, everyday face cream, to give you that lighting and beautiful face like me. And this is the everyday face wash. Look at it. Look at it. Everyday face wash. It's a soap, so you use it every day in the morning, and you applied your face cream. So if you also want to have a baby face, you can include this. This one, you use it once every evening. This makes you to have that beautiful and baby face. You look more younger, fresher, like a baby every day, So this is actually a set. This set is for people who wants to glow, who want to look more lighter without mess. You want to have that Africa skin, You want to have that Africa skin. You want to look more beautiful. You want to light like me, So without dark knuckles, without stretch mark, without any side effect. These are all organic cream. If you have money, you can also have the body scrub. This is the body scrub. This is the body scrub. You can use this body scrub once in a week or 2 times in a week. Depends how fast you want your body, how you want the effect. So this is the body scrub. They are all organic. You can go with this if you want to look more lighter and clean and everything. You have to have that. If you want to have that Africa skin, you can go for this set. Or if you still need your body scrub, you can just add this. The money is a bit higher with the body scrub. And that is it for people who wants to light. You want to clean like me, so you go for this one, this set. So let's go for the black people. The black people, no, people who the ebony black. Black is beauty. You don't want to tamper with your black. You want to maintain your black. You want to look more sweet and clean. That shiny blacks, that when you people see your black, people will want to black. You know, when people see the black, they will like, no, I have to black. You know, contact me. Let me give you a good product, a good cream for that black skin, that dark skin, that brown skin. Look at it. This is for the brown skin. You know, people with brown skin, their own product is not that expensive. It's quite cheaper. So this is the body cream. This is the face cream. This is the body cream. This is the face cream. This is the face soap. For people who don't want to tamper with the skin, who want to remain. So this set is for you. Look at it. Look at it. This set is for you. Look at it. If you want to maintain your black, you don't want to touch your black, you want to look beautiful and standard, you want that black to be shiny, looking clean and beautiful, you go for this. This is for dark skin. This is for ebony black, shiny black. This is the set you go for. This is the body soap, the body cream, the face cream, and the face wash. So that is it. If you have money, you can also have the body scrub, and which is also once in a week or 2 times in a week. So you can actually go for this set like this, 1 2 3 4 5, or you just go for this 4. So that is it for that. For those of you who have a stretch mark and you want to take away those stretch marks, you just go for this soap. You see how big it is? You go for this soap and you go for this oil. You go together. So once you use the soap to bath, you use this oil to rub. So the stretch mark will actually disappear. The appearance will disappear, and people will never notice that you must have a stretch mark with this soap. So what are you waiting for? Make your order now. Make your order now before it is too late. 2021 is around the corner. You know, summer is coming again. Summer is close. You know, last summer you were busy wearing turtleneck, long sleeve, trouser, while all your mates are putting on some bone shirts, some sleeves, because you have some stretch mark, or you have some dark knuckles, elbows, spots everywhere. So you are shy of that your skin. My dear, take care of your skin now. If you don't take care of your skin, nobody will do that for you. You need to take care of your skin. You know, according to what they say, family problem no they finish. Family problem no they finish. You know, I know you need to take care of your family, but let yourself come first. Love yourself. If you don't love yourself, nobody will love you for you. So just love yourself first. You know, be a lover of yourself. Take care of your skin. Look clean. This coming summer is just around the corner. In few months, 3 to 4 months, we'll be in summer again. What are you waiting for? Get your good organic cream. Glow that your skin, repair that skin, take those stretch marks away, so that you're going to rock this summer. Rock this summer with your bun shorts. Go to beach, go to pool, you know. Rock it with your boyfriend, rock it with your husband, rock it with your fiancé, your friends, you know, without thinking of what to wear. You know, and if you still have that your big mama tummy, you know, you want to lose weight, my dear, what are you waiting for? Lose weight now. You know, take those excess fats away from your body. These are Pro Balance, you know, our body shaping gel, meal replacements from lroworld.com. Lose that excess weight. If you want to have a flat tummy, this is a gel for you. And rock it, rock it, rock it, rock it. Not let money where you want use for your body pain you. You know, this life has no duplicates. So if you want to contact me, my number still remain +43 0676 554 8252. So you WhatsApp me or you message me, follow me on Instagram, Ododike Valentina, follow me on Facebook, Ododike Valentina, or you follow me on TikTok, Ododike Valentina, follow me on YouTube, Ododike Valentina. If you have more skin problem, you can DM me, WhatsApp me, and tell me, let me miss a special cream for you. Thank you. Bye bye. Until we meet again. See you guys. Ciao.